Bullish Rose value forecast is 8 cents to 36 cents. Oasis organization cost could likewise reach 10 cents soon. Bearish Rose cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. In Desert Garden organization cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Rose to dissect the future development of the digital currency. Desert Garden organization current market status. As per CoinGecko, the cost of Desert Spring organization is 5 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $12,334,350 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, Rose has expanded by almost 0.7% as of now. Besides, Desert Spring organization has a coursing supply of 5,029,357,184 rows. At present, Desert Garden organization exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, KuCoin, MEXC, Coinbase Trade, LBank. Gate.io. What is Desert Spring organization? Desert Garden organization is the local utility badge of the Desert Garden organization. Rose was sent off in November 2020 on the organization. Desert Spring organization is a security-centered Shrewd Agreements put together blockchain worked with respect to Universe SDK. The organization zeroes in more on advancing security and secrecy, very much like the Cardano blockchain. Desert Spring organization additionally involves a double-layer model, agreement layer, and paratime layer. Both the agreement and the computational activities are isolated inside the layers. Rose tokens act as exchanges inside the organization. It is sent in the marking and assignment components of Desert Garden organization. Desert Garden organization value forecast 2022. The above graph of Desert Spring organization spread out the plummeting channel design. Plunging channel design, otherwise called the falling channel. A plunging channel is framed by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the trade of a negative market. As of now, Desert Spring organization is in the scope of 5 cents. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of Rose could arrive at the opposition levels of 5 cents, 6 cents, and 6 cents. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of Rose might tumble to 5 cents. From the above everyday time span, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels of Desert Garden organization. The diagrams show that Desert Garden organization has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Rose could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at 36 cents in like manner. In the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Desert Spring organization could fall to nearly 4 cents, a negative sign. Desert Garden organization value forecast 2022. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Desert Garden organization is displayed in the graph underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of Rose lies beneath the end line, demonstrating frail members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Desert Spring organization is displayed in the outline above. Strikingly, Desert Spring organization cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. At present, Rose has entered a negative state. Hence, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Rose whenever. In the meantime, the general strength file of the Rose is 42.15. This implies that Desert Garden organization is in an oversold state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of Rose might happen in the impending days. Thus, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Desert Garden organization value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Desert Spring organization. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Desert Garden organization. Right now, the ADX of Rose lies in the scope of 30.01941, and in this manner, it demonstrates major areas of strength for it. The above diagram likewise addresses the overall instability record of Desert Garden organization. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Rose lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Desert Spring organization is at 42.15, in this manner affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of Rose with BTC, ETH. The underneath graph shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Desert Spring organization. From the above graph, we can decipher that BTC, ETH, and Rose are moving in a comparable pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Rose likewise increments or diminishes individually. Desert Garden Organization Value Forecast 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Desert Garden Organization could likely achieve 30 cents by 2023. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Desert Spring Organization could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Rose could energize to hit 50 cents by 2024. Desert Garden Organization Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Desert Spring Organization supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, Rose would energize to hit 70 cents. Desert Spring Organization Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Desert Garden Organization supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, Rose would mobilize to hit 90 cents. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation 2027. On the off chance that Desert Garden Organization supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, Rose would energize to hit $1. Desert Garden Organization Value Forecast 2028. On the off chance that Desert Spring Organization holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, it could observe a huge cost rallies. Accordingly, by 2028, Rose would hit $3. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation 2029. On the off chance that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Desert Garden Organization, it would observe significant spikes. Rose could hit $5 by 2029. Desert Garden Organization Value Forecast 2030. With more prominent headways in the Desert Garden Organization environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Desert Garden Organization for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Thus, Desert Spring Organization could hit $7 by 2030. And, with constant enhancements in the Desert Garden Organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Rose. Consequently, the bullish value expectation of Desert Garden Organization in 2022 is 36 cents. Then again, the negative value expectation of Desert Garden Organization cost forecast for 2022 is 4 cents. Moreover, with the headways and moves up to the Desert Garden Organization environment, the presentation of Rose would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of 59 cents very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach 10 cents in the event that the financial backers accept that Rose is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Desert Spring Organization? Desert Spring Organization is the utility badge of the Desert Spring Organization. Desert Spring Organization is a security-centered brilliant agreements put together stage worked with respect to Universe SDK. 2. Where could you at any point buy Desert Spring Organization? Desert Spring Organization has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which include Binance, KuCoin, MEXC, Coinbase Trade, LBank, Gate.io. 3. Will Desert Spring Organization come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events,